Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave, and I am coming to you today because I have some extra Sunshine and Creativity boxes. Sunshine and Creativity is the subscription box that is celebrating its 1-year anniversary this month, and we have had an amazing year of projects, and I'm really looking forward to the upcoming year. You can subscribe to Sunshine and Creativity with the link below. I'll put that in the description. But I have leftover boxes from this previous year. Some of them are sold out, some of them are very, very limited quantities, and some of them I have a few extras. So I am offering them up to just anybody. Before this, you had to subscribe. So those leftover boxes you can get, and I'm going to show 3 of them. I just grabbed 3. And each of them contains all the fun goodies. There's always a surprise each month. They are uplifting and fun. And of course, each box comes with 5 to 6 project tutorials. And these are a little bit more in depth than just my regular class projects. I often will show you alternate versions of a project, or like you could do it this way or you could do it this way, or different things in that respect, so that you can really learn and grow in your stamping and enjoy some awesome projects. I always like to do just a little extra in these boxes too for my subscribers. I like to spoil them. So if you would like to subscribe, I do have perks when you are a subscriber for 6 or 12 months. You can get a special gift from me for being a subscriber. And then, of course, each month we have an amazing box. So you subscribe the month previous, and then your box ships around the 15th the following month. So for instance, our box next month is going to be on watercolor techniques. So excited about that one. It is going to... the subscription window will close on August 31st, and then the box will ship on approximately September 15th. So it is always so fun to inspire. So I'm going to flip my camera around and show you all of, or not all of the boxes, but I pulled 3 that I'm going to pull out and show you what they look like. So one moment. Okay, so first off, our boxes come, they're cute. This one is the Hues of Happiness. Actually, I'm going to show you that one last. That one's kind of a special box. I will show you this one, which is the In Color box. Now, what's fun about the subscription, if you subscribe, you also get some say in what our boxes are. I do a poll every month to find out what you would like. Sometimes it's a technique, sometimes it's a bundle, sometimes it's just a theme. So it just kind of depends. So in this box, you will get some twine, some matte dots, some watercolor paper, all the pre-cut cardstock to make your projects. Let's see, we've got In Color DSP as well as some other DSP. So all of this, and then there's always a fun little surprise. Now, I haven't shown you, there's also some other, there's also other little things that happen in these boxes, but that gives you an idea of this one. Now, each box is $49, and they can only be shipped to U.S. addresses, so just be aware of that. This was the Embossing Techniques box, and here we have, let's see, all the goodies fit in here. So we've got some elegant trim, some... this is, what is this? The denim ribbon, a blending brush, a package of matte dots, a package of Heart and Home doilies, and then the pre-cut cardstock along with some designer series paper. And then there's always some fun little treasures in your box. And then the last one, as I mentioned, this was a special box, the Hues of Happiness. This one was sometimes I like to do a little extra, as mentioned. So this one's got some extra stuff in it. So, ooh, a beautiful card. We've got some gems and dots, some hues of happiness, pre-cut cardstock. We've got some DSP, a couple different kinds, and a cute notebook. Oh, this one was a really great box. So again, all of the project, or each box will come with a PDF, and there's a video tutorial for every single project and all of the good stuff included. So these boxes, like I said, are available for $49. They are first come, first served. So click the description in this video for the link. I'll also link it so it pops up here at some point during the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask me, either comment in the video or drop me an email. I'm always happy to answer them. If you are interested in subscribing, I will also put that link. So there's two links. One is to subscribe. One is to register for the leftover boxes. And as mentioned, the leftover boxes are while supplies last. The subscription will take you directly to PayPal, and you'll set up the subscription. That is open until August 31st for September's watercoloring box. And as mentioned, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. I would be happy to answer them. This subscription has been a huge hit with my customers. They've really loved it, and I would love to have you be a part of it. So thank you guys so much for being with me today, and happy shopping. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.